my friend Kani.
That's your kind of debate. Let them debate their issues. So I can't say what my issues.
Give me what you can give away and get you watch Gimorachi.
Next
our friend watch public participation. And we all know nowadays there is nothing like public participation. And Jima Bedga Kamori boardroom, gi penjo questions, gi email. Questions go idu ko gi email towards the agenda. Toan kaka jo bunge. Wase tumo research. Wase nyeyo kaka serikali ni tumore. There is no connection between the government and the people in the ground. And that's why serikali tumo gimagi tumo kagikia kaka ground wacho. I'll give a good example. Serikali ni tumo gimaber geroni jude. Lakini jo mage mada ki udego. Iyo do kaka islikani en ude ma serikal, but at the same time en migration ma warriors from a self-confused house to a one-bedroom house. But kini yo udego en tax noa mongad eka udego ger. Koro osiep na wacho kani niwa complain tax. I don't know o quote maskina chiel momi udego. Alafsa ni gichako wacho ni udego ibo us. Iuso na di ude migero gi tax noa. Donge bana double taxation. Koro anatama wacho niya.
Wakoreje ni udi mi
magapone bwausi. Ndika mari
udi magapone bwausi.
Seche mi wuoyo na geleng. We otieki ibro duoke. Frank tigati.
No, we koria onyeo ot. En gi pesa monyeo godo ot. Gigi gi affordable housing, affordable tiende niya inyalo yude kinyiewe bat gi nengo mayot. Ok miye ji nono.
Okay.
What is the meaning of affordable housing? It is something that is accessible to everyone. Accessible to someone who is in Madare, accessible to someone who is in Kibira, accessible to someone who is in Homa Bay. But right now, we are talking about accessibility of someone who is migrating from a single house to a one-bedroom house. And you will find a certain community is the one which is dominating those houses. That's why we are saying the president is doing a good job to build houses. But pia, our brokers wenye wako hapo katikati lazima waangaliwe, ndio hizo manyumba zifikie kila mtu.
Okay.
Hii Kenya ni yetu sisi wote. Na sisi wote tuna deserve services za government. Nimesikia kisema
kai uwe gidoluwa.
Awinjo kwa wacho ni ya